Hey, what's up guys, Winston here, and today we'll be taking a quick look at the Patriot Viper Gaming Venom DDR5-7200 32GB kit. These memory modules is probably one of the fastest memory kits that we've tested in our labs and operate on a DDR frequency of 7200 MHz. It comes with a CAS latency of 34, 42, 42, operating on a voltage of 1.45 volts. It also comes with RGB lighting that's compatible with all of the major ecosystems out there, including the ASUS Aura Sync, the MSI Mystic Light Sync, the Gigabyte Fusion, and of course ASRock's Polychrome Sync. We've already tested the DDR5-7200 memory kits and they work brilliantly. These memory kits are fully compatible with the XMP 3.0 standards, which means there's no faffing around in the BIOS. All you need to do is slot them in, set the XMP in the profiles, and away you go. We'll be testing these modules using an Intel Core i9-1300K processor along with the Z790 motherboard. We should be getting some really good performance, and I'm expecting to overclock these memory kits just a little bit more to see how they perform. So let's put these into a test rig and see how they perform. But before we do that, let's do a quick unboxing and we'll see you in a bit. Alright, let's do a quick unboxing of the Viper Gaming Venom DDR5-7200 32GB kit. Supports the RGB lighting and also the XMP 3.0 standards. Alright, let's take a look inside the box. Okay, we have a Viper Gaming sticker and here are the memory modules. Let's open the blister pack. Alright, here we have the modules, and yeah, it's the same as the 6200 memory kits that we reviewed previously, and these are the new 7200 speeds. DDR5-7200 has a CAS latency of 34, 42, 42, operating on a 1.45 volts, and it's got this nice black heat spreader with the Viper Gaming logos there, and on top here we have the LED strip which runs along the top of the memory module. And what I like about these memory modules is that it's fully XMP 3.0 compatible, which means all you need to do is slot them into your motherboard, go into the BIOS and select XMP, and away you go. Apparently these memory modules use the Hynix IC memory chips, which are known to overclock really well. So I'll be interested to see how much we can overclock these memory modules. We'll be testing these modules on our test rig, which is comprised of an Intel Core i9-1300K along with a Z790 motherboard. And that was a quick unboxing of the Patriot Viper Gaming Venom DDR5-7200 32GB kit.
With XMP3 enabled and all the memory settings on auto, the Patriot Viper Gaming Venom DDR5-7200 performed exceptionally. During the AIDA64 memory tests, we got memory read speeds of 105,910 MB and a write speed of 93,858 MB per second and a copy speed of 96,294 MB per second. It's one of the fastest DDR5 memory kits that we've tested to date. For RGB lovers, it's compatible with all the major RGB ecosystems out there, including the ASUS Aura Sync, the MSI Mystic Light Sync, the Gigabyte RGB Fusion, and of course ASRock's Polychrome Sync. You can also download Patriot's own RGB sync software, allowing you to control and customize the RGB lightings to your liking. During our tests, we noticed that these modules uses the SK Hynix memory ICs, which are known to overclock really well. So as far as overclocking is concerned, I was extremely pleased to see that I was able to overclock these memory modules to a whopping DDR5-7800, which is just amazing. All I did in the BIOS was to increase the memory speeds to DDR5-7800 and make sure that the XMP3 profile was enabled. All other settings were at default. Patriot has produced yet another great memory kit that offers exceptional performance, good compatibility, nice RGB lighting, and of course excellent overclocking ability. They're fully XMP3 certified and comes with a lifetime warranty, and you get all of this at a very attractive price. You can check out the full review on our website at funkykit.com.
And there you have it. That was a quick look at the Patriot Viper Gaming Venom DDR5-7200 memory kit. It offers excellent performance, amazing overclockability, and you get RGB lighting as well. Hope you enjoyed this video. Give us a like and leave a comment down below. Don't forget, you can actually buy these via links in the description, and of course visit our website for more news, reviews and hot tips. Oh yeah, don't forget, hit the subscribe button for more. Until next time, this is Winston for Funkykit.com.